Okay, we really need to wrap up English, so write down ENG period action verbs. ENG for English, period, because it's an abbreviation, and then action verbs. Okay, so you're going to write down verbs that describe these different things. Number 1, a snake. What are words that describes an action a snake might do? For instance, slither, slide, sleep. Any action you might see a snake do. Write down 3. Number 2, babies. What are some things babies would do? Cry, crawl, laugh. You write down 3. Don't just choose my answers. Okay, number 3. What are some things a soccer player might do? Kick a ball, yell, scream, wave his hands, jump, slide. So write down 3. Okay, number 4. What are some things a circus clown might do? Laugh, cry, run, jump, hide, anything. Whatever you think a circus clown might do. Number 5, what are some things a bus driver might do? Wave, stop, go, anything. Think of your own. Number 6, what are some things that a pirate might do? A pirate might take, because they take stuff. They might sleep, because they can't stay awake all day. They might run, because they have someone's stuff they stole, so they have to run away from the person that's trying to get their stuff back. So run, sleep, hide, take, whatever. You write down 3 things a pirate might do. Now, is that it or are there more? Yep, that's it. So 3 things a snake does, 3 actions of a snake, 3 actions of a baby, 3 actions of a soccer player, 3 actions of circus clowns, 3 actions of bus drivers, and 3 actions of a pirate. Okay. If you don't have that done yet, then please stop the video. Finish writing down 3 action words for each one of those 6. So you should have number 1, write out 3. Number 2, write out 3. Number 3, write out 3. Number 4, write out 3. Number 5, write out 3. Number 6, write out 3 answers. And now you are ready to go to English. The next page. Start a new page. If not, then skip a bunch of lines and go down and write ENG period adjectives. ENG period ADJECTIVES. Now your adjectives are words that describe nouns. So now we're going to do like we just did in the last one, but instead of doing actions, we're going to describe. So number 1, 3 things that describe elephants. Big, wet, giant. I don't know, maybe they're not wet because they don't live in the ocean. Dry, giant, big, ginormous. What are 3 things that describe crayons? Small, round, colorful. Think of your own stuff. 3 things that describe pineapples. Tart, spiky, yellow, tropical. Number 4, write down 3 things that describe firefighters. Strong, hardworking, risky, brave, sleepy. Anything that describes firefighters. And then let's move on to number 5. What describes haunted houses? Spooky, scary, old, noisy, creaky. I don't know, whatever else you can think of. And the last one, number 6, skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are really tall buildings. So tall, big, concrete. Maybe they're made out of concrete. Ginormous. Really tall. Whatever you can think of to describe skyscrapers. And if you can't think of words to describe these things, you can also use your phone or your internet. Look up what describes an elephant, what describes crayons, what describes pineapples, what describes firefighters, what describes haunted houses, what describes skyscrapers. Write down 3 words for each of them. 1, you've got 3 words. 2, you've got 3 words. 3, you've got 3 words. 4, you've got 3 words. 5, you've got 3 words. 6, you've got 3 words. And now you have completed your second English assignment. Stop the tape until you're ready to go on. Okay, let's go ahead and try and do one more. Now let's take a look at nouns, common and proper. You can write down English, period, nouns, ENG, period, nouns. Number 1, what is a common noun? An author. What is a proper noun? Well, one name of an author is Rawlings. Another one is Soto. Another one is, I don't know, like who's an author that writes a book? Pick up one of the books in your house, read the author, and write their name down. Number 2, common noun is a country. What's a proper noun for a country? Well, the United States, England, Germany, Italy, Mexico. There's lots of countries, right? A common noun is just the common word. The proper noun is the specific one. So country is common. So now give me a special, specific proper noun. Barack Obama. That is the specific proper noun. What is the common noun? It's a man. He's a man. Number 4, athlete. Number 4, name an athlete for the proper noun. Maybe you say Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, whatever his name is, or maybe you say Kobe or Jordan, or I don't know, any proper noun, any name of an athlete you can put there. That's number 4. Let's go up to number 5. Proper noun is Mexico. What is Mexico? It's a country. So write down country for common noun, or place, or something like that. Just any common old word, what Mexico is. Number 6, the common noun is celebrity. So you have to name a celebrity because they want you to give the proper noun. So name a celebrity. Maybe a celebrity would be Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo, or someone, I don't know. Number 7, common noun, Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a character, so you could write character for your common noun. You could write person in a book, whatever, Harry Potter. Number 8, the common noun is book. The proper noun is the name of a book. Write the name of a book down for number 8, and then you'll be done. So in this thing, you should have got done 3 English lessons. You have your English up here, you have your English verbs, you have your English adjectives, and you have your English nouns. And you're done. Good job, guys. Congratulations. You just got 3 lessons done. That means you are really close to finishing English. Great job. But wait, don't forget to take a picture of it and send it to me right away. Or your teacher right away. Good job.